What is the answer of question number 3? Please tell me. The correct answer for this question is, of course, option number C. It says two boats are traveling at 5 and 10 km per hour. So there are two boats, the distance, and they are traveling at a speed of 5 and 10 km per hour. Okay. How far apart are they 1 minute before the collision? So let's say here is A, one of the boat, here it is, and another boat is B. Okay, this boat is traveling with a speed of 5, this boat is traveling with a speed of 10, and I say this is the distance D, which is 1 minute before the collision. Okay, the distance between 1 minute before the collision, I'll say. Okay, yes or no? So we know that both of them are traveling towards each other. So distance, this distance D, it is equal to nothing but speed into time, and both of them are traveling towards each other, so that is 5 plus 10, and into time is equal to 1 minute, means 1 by 60. Because after 1 minute, I can say after 1 minute, both the boat will meet at certain point. So basically, they meet in 1 minute. Okay, this is the position before 1 minute before the collision. So the distance is equal to 15 by 60, which is equal to 1 by 4 kilometers, and that is the answer. Any doubts to anyone in question number 3? Please tell me. No. Can I move to the next question then?